Hey, what's up, guys? Stork. I'm going to go ahead and try these wrap snacks. This one right here is the Rick Ross sweet chili lemon pepper. I know not every store has them in stock, so I seen it at the local gas station I went to and decided to pick up a bag, and I'm gonna try it out right now, real time. I think I only had like one. I tried one bag before, but I can't remember. It was like a while ago, like sometime last year, so I can't remember exactly what flavor it was. Smell good. Yeah, it's true. These things good, man. The seasoning is on point. Oh, dropping chips. Yeah, these A1.